guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Doris Reality TV, your favorite girl. Today I will show you guys how I make my baby's pap. This is corn, guinea corn and millet mixed together. Now I will pour it on the table to separate the dirt and the unwanted ones carefully. I have to select it carefully to make a healthy pap. This is the process. These are the things I got from it. These are stones. It might be harmful and unhealthy. As you can see, these are the chaps. I will carefully remove them. I will start washing the grains thoroughly with both hands as seen to get rid of dirt and sands. After washing for a while, I will take out the grains from the bowl, then strain the dirty water. I will soak the grains with big quantity of water for 3 days. I will make sure the water is above the grains. I will change the water daily for 3 days. As you know, the more it ferments, the better results you get. I added ginger to it because babies are vulnerable to bacterial attacks and hence ginger could be used to prevent infections in them. It also helps in boosting immunity. The ginger added to the pap also makes it spicy and the cloves gives it a nice smell. I prefer using my home blender for this. You can also use heavy duty grinder for it. I'm done grinding. This is the outcome. This is how it looks like. Drape the chiffon clothes over a big bowl and tie it up. The bowl should be big enough to accommodate the pap and the water you will use to rinse it. Sieve the blend reason as necessary till you are left with only the chaff. It is advisable to rinse small quantity at a time. When done, set aside to settle for at least an hour. This is what the chaff looks like. The chaff is used in making chicken feed. After an hour, or when you notice that the water is clear or the pap is settled, decant the water and pour the rest into the muslin bag. Before pouring it into the muslin bag, turn it very well. Tie the bag and keep it in such a way as to let the water drain from the pan. Keep tying the bag tighter and tighter as the water drains till all the water is gone. Ready? My pap is ready. This is how I preserve my pap. I will place them inside the bowl. After this, I will cover the bowl and place it inside the fridge. This is how I preserve my pap. This is how I make my pap. Some people prefer cooking their pap. Please, if you find this video helpful, please like, share, comment, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you. God bless you.